Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make steak and mushroom pie. This pie uses milk puff pastry and is easy to make with no need to pre-cook the filling. Let's make the milk puff pastry first. I need some cake flour or self-rising flour, a little salt. Sift the flour and salt together into a bowl. Then transfer them into the food blender. Add the cold unsalted butter into the blender. You will get the fine crumbs. Mix to stiff paste with some cold milk. Combine the crumbs together and quickly shape into the ball. Cover the dough with cling film, then let it chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour. While waiting, I will make the pie filling. Chop 1 pound of inside skirt steak. Season the steak with some salt and some black pepper. Mix them well. Then transfer them into the mixing bowl. Add a chopped small yellow onion, baby bella mushroom. To get a better flavor, I also add shiitake mushroom. Mix them well. The mushrooms will generate lots of fluid while baking, so add some all-purpose flour to prevent the pie filling becomes watery. The pie filling is finished. Let's assemble the pie. To prepare the pie dish, I usually grease it first, then dust some flour. Remove the pie dish. This is the size how big I will roll out my dough. The dough is ready. Break off 1/3 for the lid and the rest will be the base. Roll out the dough to make a 3 mm thickness. Adjust the pastry to fit the pie dish. Prick the base with a fork. At this point, I will prepare the oven at 450 Fahrenheit. Transfer the filling to the pie dish. Do the same thing to the lid, make a 3 mm thickness. Put the lid on. Press the edges together to seal. Trim off the extra. This is how I crimp the pie. Brush the egg wash. Make some pie vents. First, bake the pie for 15 minutes at 450 Fahrenheit. Then lower the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for another 40 to 45 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the pie. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this steak and mushroom pie cost me $20. I'm going to enjoy this steak and mushroom pie with some gravy. Thanks for watching my video.